Hello my readers, and welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps us out. And become a channel member if you want to. Today's story is about a snow day, and it's called Take the Dog Out Snow Day. So let's get into it, shall we? Snowstorm, snowflakes, snowball? Snow day! Snow, snow, snow! Where did Coconut go? Coco is here. Coco is there. Bark, bark, bark. Coco is running up the hill. Coco is sledding down the hill. Look, Coco is skating across the ice. Cold Coco. Who wants hot cocoa and cookies? Warm cocoa, warm fire, warm memories, fun snow day.